Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. You're watching another useful guide made especially for Oppo Reno 15C users. In this video, I'll explain call problem or call sound problem step by step on Oppo Reno 15C. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to stay connected with us. So let's start today's video.